as well.
Yeah, and the Weather Channel's team coverage continues. We want to send it out to Mike Seidel, who's in Montauk, New York right now. Now, Mike, tell us how the conditions are right now for you.
Okay, Liana, let's compare this to a nor'easter. Chris just mentioned 976 millibars. That's typical of a big winter snowstorm. If it was closer to the coast in the winter, we'd be talking feet of snow. But it is pretty far offshore. It's really not going to get much closer. And right now, we're looking at the surf coming right up here to the dune line and the fence. High tide coming up in about 2 hours. But the water is getting higher each successive high tide. And through tomorrow night, even though our wind here on the south shore is blowing offshore, look at these wave heights. Now, I checked the buoy southeast of Nantucket, about 60 miles southeast of Nantucket, just over 14 footers, and the buoy off Montauk, 13 footers. So that's kind of what's rolling in here. They're breaking way out and then breaking 2 more times, coming in and slowly taking some of the beach out. But here comes the water again up into this dune line that was built over the past couple years by the Corps of Engineers. So we've got a little bit of elevation here to work with. As far as rainfall, we've only had a few passing showers today. Look at the radar. You can see clearly where Jose is dropping the rain, primarily over the fish. We've got a few showers up towards southeast Mass and back just north and west of New York City, but that's about it. And we don't expect a whole lot of rain out of this tonight and tomorrow. But the winds have increased a little bit. Look at this wave came right back up here under my feet. The winds today, peak gust here at Montauk, 28 miles an hour. And scanning all the observations from Cape Cod down towards New York City, it's really hard to find a wind gust over 30 miles an hour. So Liana will be watching the high tide coming up here a little after 9. And again, the high tides tomorrow morning and tomorrow evening as Jose continues to move northeast and then move out to sea.